Philosophy Fam. I'm Bridget.
I'm Elsa.
And I'm Mason.
And welcome to our Week 4 segment of the Thinker's Table. Tonight we're diving into a topic that has shaped medicine and philosophy for centuries. Descartes' idea of dualism, the belief that the mind and body are distinct and cannot be reduced to one another.
That's right, Bridget. We're exploring an important question. Does dualism hinder or serve healthcare today?
To see what the public thinks, we visited a university campus and asked students what they think is the right answer to this generational debate. Pass it over to you, Dulizzy.
That's right, Mason. We're in the streets of Queen University to find out.
What's your name?
Extensa.
So, Mr. Extensa, what do you think about the mind and body being looked at together? Are you for it, or are we kicking it to the curb?
Are you kidding me? That serves healthcare if they're separate. The world needs more logic, man. Everyone cares too much these days about the emotional side of things. Like, just think about it. How much easier would it be to diagnose, let alone treat someone if we didn't care about how they felt? I mean, medical decisions could be made in and out. Does it really matter if Mrs. Goldberg cares about losing her hairline during chemo? At least it fixes the problem.
So you think that everything is more efficient if we cut out the mind altogether?
I mean, yeah, hospitals are built around physical illnesses themselves. They have syringes, gauze, and stitches. We need to prioritize our budget for the things that actually matter and the things that fight those illnesses. Not whether kids would feel a little bit better if the hospital walls had butterflies on them versus not. If people's feelings are really hurt that much, then I'm sure there's a psychiatric ward waiting for them down the road.
Well, you heard it here, folks. Mr. Extensa has a firm belief that resources and research should be concentrated on improving physical medicine, equipment, and treatments, rather than spending money on therapists or materials specifically to improve the mental health aspect. Thank you for your time.
Not a problem.
Hey, so for our next interviewee, we have Mrs. Coggins. So, is the mind and body really separate? Does it help or hinder healthcare?
Well, personally, I think that mind and body cannot be separated. The truth is, people aren't just numbers. Behind every open chest on a surgery table, there's a person who's more than just a diagnosis. There's a mother, a father, a son, a daughter. Holistic health is essential to healthcare, and I think more healthcare providers should be asking, how is this going to help the person? Is there a way that we can make them feel confident and heard?
So, if I have this right, you believe the mind and body are separate things that work together as one, that mental health matters just as much as physical.
Absolutely. Doctors need information to continue their work, and feeling cared for mentally allows patients to open up and share what they need. On top of that, improved mental health can even help for a fast recovery, which is overall the goal in the first place. Focusing on one aspect of healthcare can hinder the delivery of healthcare. By having a person-centered, holistic view, patients will feel fully validated.
What an amazing viewpoint! All right, back to you at the Thinker's Table.
Thanks for those interviews, Dulizzy. It was super interesting to see how other people think about this topic.
Yeah, so to conclude, what's our position on this debate, you guys?
Well, both perspectives have valid points. It's tough to say. But truth is, here at the Thinker's Table, we believe in a person-centered and holistic approach to healthcare is essential. It's of the utmost importance to us that healthcare providers treat the disease when urgent, but treat the person always. The mind and body intertwines, and the viewpoint can aid healthcare providers in being caring, attentive, and observant to all aspects of health. Mental health warning signs can help identify physical illness just as much as an open wound can, and vice versa.
Precisely. Well, that's our show. I guess you can say Descartes will lose his mind over us.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.